Hi, I'm at 24 Ross Way, and this is a beautiful standalone ranch 55 and older unit. And if you're looking for a ranch, this is it. It offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a new heating system, new air conditioning system. It's gas heat as well. You have low fees, low taxes, and you're close to everything. This is the most desirable 55 and older complex around. We're at Wingate Mews. It has hardwood floors and granite, stainless steel appliances, tiled flooring in your bathrooms and in your large mudroom with first floor laundry. It's set up and plumbed for a new bathroom in the lower level and easy to finish with large windows down there. We have a screened-in porch, and I love these pillars. They accent it very nice. So if you're looking for an open floor plan and move-in ready condition, this is the home for you. And I'll be doing an open house this weekend, so stop by and see me. I look forward to talking to you.